Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to open Photos app and hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. In my case, this one. Now to select multiple ones right away, click on this little icon at the top right corner. And to exclude some of your photos that you wish to keep, tap on them. To delete the rest, select this delete icon at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!